Welcome to ORP Survey User Video Training. In this video, we will demonstrate how a company administrator manages evaluations and journal surveys. This consists of creating, editing, and deleting both evaluations and surveys. First step is logging in as the company administrator. Login information should be your email. For this video, we'll use a testing user account. Go ahead and click login. This brings us to our home page with several features that the company administrator has access to. Down in the management section, you have a evaluation and general survey management. We're going to go ahead and click on that link. This brings us to the list of currently existing evaluations and surveys. We're first going to create a new evaluation. Click add, and we have our first field to select. This is the type, an evaluation or a general survey. As I said, we're going to go ahead and do with an evaluation. Here we have several other fields that we have to, which are required to be filled. Evaluator role. The evaluator role is the current role in which we'll be doing the evaluation on another type of role. In this case, we're going to go ahead and select faculty as the evaluator role. And the faculty will be evaluating staff members. So again, the evaluator is the group that will be evaluating another separate type of group. And the evaluatee is that second group, in this case staff. Here in the description, you're going to go ahead and make something that's relative to the actual evaluation. In this case, we'll call it evaluating company staff. Then we have a start date and end date. For this video, we're going to go ahead and select today's date, and we'll give a window of, let's say, 3 to 4 weeks, okay? And insert. This brings us back to a page with a list, and you should see your new evaluation on our list. Here we have the new created evaluation. To add questions to the evaluations, you click on the title of the evaluation. Here you have an add button. We're going to go ahead and enter a question. Okay. After adding your question, you go ahead and enter some choices. Please make sure you've entered the correct choices. Okay. Once you've selected your choices, you go ahead and hit insert. Here we now see our question with our responses. That there are possible responses underneath it. The arrows on the side of the questions, once you generate enough questions, allows you to reorder in what order you want these questions to appear. If you made a mistake on one of these questions, you could hit the edit link next to the question to make your changes and hit save. At this point, you can also delete the question if you no longer want it within the evaluation. Let's go back now. That's the basic steps to add a new evaluation, and also add the questions to the evaluations. We also saw how we able to edit a question and delete a questions in the purpose. If you want to delete the evaluation completely, you would go to the edit link on the right hand side of the title, which here you could change again the roles, the description, also the start and end dates. If you want to delete it, you would select delete evaluations. When you are deleting, it will prompt you and letting you know once you delete this, the evaluation is no longer accessible. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. You now see that the evaluation that we had created is no longer on our list. Now to add a new survey, we will follow basically the same steps. We will go ahead and go click on the add button. The only difference here is instead of evaluation, we will select general survey in the type field. Here again, you have a description, start, and end date in which you must fill. Let's go ahead and just fill this information out. This concludes our training for adding, editing, and deleting evaluations and general surveys. Thank you.